In this lesson, we will understand the use cases of AI agents. Let us start. AI agents are transforming industries by taking on specialized roles that streamline operations, enhance efficiency, and reduce human workload. Below are some prominent use cases and their purposes. The first one is autonomous customer service resolution. AI agents function as intelligent digital representatives managing customer queries from start to finish. That is, go beyond answering FAQs, access user accounts to troubleshoot issues, correct billing errors and process refunds, provide clear explanations of actions taken. All of this happens seamlessly without requiring human intervention. Next one is end-to-end sales development representative. In sales, AI agents act as tireless SDRs, automating the entire lead generation and outreach process. Analyze public data to identify potential prospects, enrich and maintain accurate contact records, craft personalized outreach emails, schedule meetings directly on sales representatives' calendars. Through continuous feedback loops, they refine targeting and messaging to improve conversion rates over time. Next is clinical scribe and medical assistant. Within healthcare, AI agents serve as ambient clinical scribes during patient consultations, that is, transcribe doctor-patient conversations in real time, extract key medical details such as symptoms, diagnosis, and treatment plans, generate structured clinical notes with precision. This minimizes administrative burden, allowing healthcare professionals to focus more on patient care. Next is intelligent fraud analyst. Financial institutions leverage AI agents for continuous real-time monitoring of transactions. Rather than issuing isolated alerts, these agents identify behavioral patterns that reveal sophisticated fraud or money laundering schemes. They can freeze suspicious activity, trigger additional authentication steps, and produce comprehensive case reports to support compliance teams. Software development teammate. AI agents act as autonomous collaborators in software engineering. Beyond simple code completion, they can interpret feature requests, generate and debug code, write unit tests, update documentation, and even refactor legacy systems. Developers can delegate entire tasks, transforming the agent into a true coding partner that accelerates delivery and improves quality. Next is supply chain disruption predictor. In manufacturing and logistics, AI agents serve as risk forecasters and problem solvers. By analyzing data from suppliers, weather conditions, global events, and transportation networks, they predict potential disruptions before they escalate. When risks arise, these agents autonomously reroute shipments or recommend alternative sourcing strategies, ensuring resilience and continuity in supply chains. Next is personalized learning coach. In the education sector, AI agents act as adaptive tutors, offering tailored one-on-one guidance. They evaluate each learner's knowledge level, adjust lesson plans in real time, provide instant feedback, and customize exercises based on performance. Advanced students are challenged with higher level tasks, while those needing extra support receive targeted assistance, ensuring truly personalized learning journeys. Next is automated research analyst. Functioning as virtual research assistants, AI agents streamline the entire research process. They collect and synthesize information from academic journals, online sources, and news outlets. By spotting emerging trends, comparing diverse perspectives, and generating annotated summaries with citations, these agents drastically reduce the time and effort required for comprehensive research. Next is Dynamic Marketing Campaign Manager. In marketing, AI agents autonomously oversee multi-channel campaigns. They track performance metrics, optimize budgets in real time, and even design fresh ad creatives based on proven formats. This continuous optimization drives higher ROI while minimizing the need for manual oversight, making campaigns more efficient and impactful. The last one is multi-agent workflow orchestrator. In large-scale projects, AI agents operate like specialized team members, each focusing on a distinct task. One agent gathers data, another interprets and analyzes it, a third compiles structured reports, and a fourth transforms insights into engaging presentations. Overseeing them all is a central orchestrator agent, ensuring seamless collaboration, efficient task transitions, and unified outcomes. In this lesson, we saw different use cases of AI agents.